Cam Roper, Cam's Mortgage Minute. Hey, today, Mr. Flaherty, Finance Minister Flaherty, he recently announced that, actually a couple of weeks ago, about a month ago, he was saying, no more mortgage rule tampering. We're going to leave things as they are. But in a recent interview, he said, well, we're going to take a wait and see attitude. If the mortgage, real estate market looks like it's heading for a bubble, we are definitely going to intervene, and we may introduce some more changes. So what lies ahead? Hey, it's anybody's guess. The ramifications, has it been good, has it been bad? Depends who you talk to. Some people say that the new mortgage rules have been great. They've been a real lifesaver. They've thwarted a real tragedy that could have happened. Others say, hey, you know what? They haven't really done anything. They've kind of been, they've been more of a nuisance. They've been more affecting employment numbers. They're reducing jobs. They're having an impact on the housing market overall. The jury's still out. I mean, the problem is with these sort of things where you're trying to predict into the future, nobody knows what could have been the outcome had things not changed or things hadn't been intervened with. And hopefully we'll never know if it turns out to be something that could have been dire and we averted it. So if we did, well then kudos to Mr. Flaherty. Then he's done a great job and he's kept us from the abyss. And if it turns out that what he ultimately has done, it leads to more of a slowdown, well, obviously people will blame him. That's the joys of being a politician. You can't win either way. People don't love you, either way. There's always complaints about the job you're doing. And as far as the rules, we'll see if more do come. As I told you before, there are more changes that are being implemented that were mandated to be fully implemented by the end of the year. They're in relation to guarantors, they're in relation to how income's accepted, how different forms of debts are adjusted for and allowed for. So if you want to know what these are, give us a shout at the Auxilium team. I'd be happy to share that with you. As well, we can see if this is going to have a further impact on what you're hoping to do. But rates are still good. I mean, as I mentioned before, they have moved up lately, but we've got some still good deals out there, especially if you're got the stomach for a variable. A variable still has some really good alternatives, and it's fantastic options that way. So it's been Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute, and if you do need anything mortgage-wise, don't hesitate. Give us a shout at the Auxilium team. We're always looking forward to assisting you. Enjoy your day.